Okay, so these are the parts laid out for issue number 20 of the Valentino Rossi MotoGP bike. I think it's the top of the airbox and some more detailed parts for the airbox. I'm going to keep these separate because I don't want to get mixed up with the parts I had for issue 19 because I think we're going to be working on them kind of separately. But this will be kind of the build for issue 20, but I think I'm going to be using the parts from issue 19. So as I say, I will keep these separate, but yeah, we'll get into this build. So yeah, so it tells me to collect all the parts I had for issue 19, which was this airbox, which is to say quite nicely detailed in a kind of carbon effect. And then you've got a large and a small cable guide. Let's show those now. I kept them in the bag just to keep them safe. So yeah, so you've got a large one, obviously, and a small one. So large and a small cable guide, and then some dummy fasteners. And I think we're just going to be fitting them onto this airbox. So get into it. So yeah, so the first thing it's asking me to do is to fit these dummy fasteners. Trying to identify where these go. Yeah, it does look slightly different to the picture. It's got like an area here on the picture that it hasn't got on the actual airbox. May have changed the design slightly, but you've just got to fit in these dummy fasteners that we've got. Quite difficult to see. Dummy fasteners, just got to kind of fix them into the airbox. Okay, trying to work out again which way these go. I think that's how they go on. Quite difficult to identify how they go on, but kind of match the picture really. Is that all I can do? Right. Right. Yeah. Yeah, I've got D-shaped screws, but holes, sorry, and pins, but quite difficult to work out. But anyway, done now, I think. Okay, now we need the larger of the two cable guides. Okay, so obviously, larger of the two, and then we need to push fit that onto the side here that's got the holes. Okay, just try to match the picture. There we go. So we've got that, and that, like that. And then the smaller. These are all just push fit at the moment. They're on fairly well. It then says you now take the two cable guides and the two duct elbows provided in this issue. So these are actual parts from issue 20. Take cable guides and the elbows. Okay. And first off, we put the cable guides into the locations indicated. So we've got holes on there. There we go. Where these are going to go, just kind of identifying that they go the right way round. The actual pins themselves are angled as well. So it kind of going to match, isn't it? There we go. That's what they look like. Yeah, cool. And you can also see the one and the elbows. Okay, go in. Next to these ones we've just put in, the elbows go in. They are D-shaped pins. and T-shaped holes. Okay, so just a load of details added to the airbox, if you like. Just getting them the right way around and getting those fasteners in as well. Okay, so that was issue 20 of the Valentino Rossi bike. Yep, starting construction of the airbox with putting those detailed parts on. Issue 21 is probably going to be more airbox stuff, isn't it? So, main body of the airbox. Let's have a look. Looks like we're getting it quite well built up now. Yep, so we're going to be getting this airbox fairly well on the way to fully constructed. That will be issue 21 and that will be coming up soon.